Hello guys, so I'm in some comfy clothes, don't ask why, but I got this thing, it's a youie, and it has chocolate on the outside. It's kind of like a Kinder Joy, except like it has toys inside from a different country or something like that. I'm not completely sure, but
Watch your skin.
yes, I am going to eat the chocolate, so yeah.
Not a very good one. Watch your skin.
Sure. Thank you.
I don't.
So this is what came inside. I have no clue what it is.
Guys,
So let's.
hello, describers. Hey guys, I'm gonna talk with this stuff. Hello, describers. I got this thing called a youie. It's chocolate, but I should get eating it.
So it has like a toy
Inside,
or like a little thing, like a little trinket. And I got a trinket. It's a cute little bird, and it comes with.
get that off.
It says deadly dinner. That's what the paper says. It says.
Mine is a what?
Okay, it's
Why did you
youie.
open this desk?
Open to squeeze the tummy.
Help me, desk. Oh, help me open this.
Okay. Hold on, I gotta help my brother.
Oh. Well, yeah. Oh.
Darn it. This is. You were right. It was a fish. And then here's your paper. So mine says deadly dinner. Feeds mainly on the seeds and whoa.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't say, well, it does say where it's from, but I just cannot pronounce it. But yes, I absolutely love this. It is a cute bird. And I am super duper going to keep this. And I'm going to collect more of this because I actually love these things because it's actually so cute. Yeah. And okay, guys, that was it for this video. Wait, no, it was not it for this video. This, if you were wondering what this chocolate tastes like, it is milk chocolate. And
You wonder what this chocolate? It is chocolate milk, isn't it?
it's
Milk
the
chocolate.
chocolate's type is milk chocolate, and
Milk chocolate.
it tastes like the kind of chocolate you would get in an advent calendar.
No.
Like, I'm pretty sure if you're from England, you'll know what an advent calendar is. But
That's it for your video. Bye, bye, bye,
if
bye.
you don't, I'll explain.
Oh, I was on the video. Hey, guys.
An advent calendar is,
Hello, guys. I got this thing called a youie. And I got a fish.
so an advent
This just
calendar
it. Bye.
is something that, like, you have, like, for in December, like, just for example, it starts with 1 the whole way to the last day of the month, and every month you'll open it, and you'll get a piece of chocolate or a toy, whatever that is, something, so, basically. Bye, guys.